and I'm Teresa. Welcome to Home Slice. Well, the picture is a hand like this holding a piece of bread. Yeah. I'm doing this because, yeah. I'm going to be teaching you how to make paper airplanes. So, to make stage 1 paper airplane, you need a piece of paper. Fold that paper in half. Here, Zia, can I see the stage 1 paper airplane that you have in your hand? Please?
Yeah.
Just sauce it over. That was bad. I'll grab it. My little sister, she's 3. She's pooping behind the camera. This is the stage 1 paper airplane. This is what it's supposed to look like. Yeah. And when you have this, take the top 2 corners, fold them towards the middle. Then take the thing and you fold it in half. Then you unfold it.
There's this.
Then you take
On the
these
floor.
parts.
This is what's on the floor.
You take these parts and you fold them down. And you do it for
Then you
both
take
sides.
these.
There. Stop. I'm making a video. If you want to be in a video, ask Mom to make another video of you. Then, once you're done that, you have to fold the wings up.
Oh
And
no!
you have a paper airplane. Okay, that was bad. Okay, the next video I'm going to teach you how to fly paper airplanes. Okay, for the stage 2 paper airplane. Watch me. I'll be saying the steps. First, fold the paper in half. Unfold the paper. Straighten it out. Take the top 2 corners. Fold them towards the middle. Take this part of the corner, the folded corner, fold it towards the middle. Make sure not to fold the whole side towards the middle. And do it for both sides. Then fold the paper airplane.
I got the paper airplane.
Then unfold the paper airplane. Take the wings and fold them down.
I got the paper airplane.
Cool. Don't roll a car. Then you fold the wings up. Then you have a stage 2 paper airplane. Then for a stage 3 paper airplane, you can take some scissors. Just go snip, snip. You can do 4 snips, or you can just do 2 snips. I like to do 4 snips. Then, if you want, you can go like.
No!
This is not your paper airplane.
Can I have it though?
There's more over here. Then, if you want, you can snip some holes on the top. Make it look cool. It also kind of helps. It makes the wind go through the holes. Then, you open up the paper airplane, put your thumb back here on the flabby thingies and push them up. And then you seal the paper airplane. Then you fold the flabby thingies. And I just ripped these flabby thingies. Then, if you want, you can make some cool shapes in the bottom, like
My hands is wet. My hands is wet.
Cool. Like a triangle. Or you could do
triangle. Triangle.
I see you guys. I don't think you see my eye, my other eye though.
Can I see?
Stop it! And you can make an even bigger shape. That's Jonas. See, you can make an even bigger shape. I don't know why I'm using triangles. I just feel like using triangles for the shape.
You're gonna be a giraffe.
I'm not gonna be a giraffe. Ow! Then you have a cool paper airplane. And this is the stage 3 paper airplane. Bye-bye. See you later on Home Slice. Bye, guys. Woo woo!